Hi there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields, and today is day 19 of our 21 days of lace knit stitches. And today's stitch is a herringbone lace, and it has like a zigzag pattern in it, and super easy. I was needing a little bit of a break from the last few days. It was quite a bit of learning and long stitches. This is a 12-row repeat. However, the first 6 rows are one way and the next 6 rows are another way. So on all 1 through 12, all the odd number rows are purl rows. So you purl all the wrong rows. But rows 2, 4, and 6 are the same, and rows 8, 10, and 12 are the same. So I thought this was very unique in that fact. So it gives you a nice zigzag pattern, which is, I think this is beautiful. So let's get started. I have already knitted rows 1 through 5. So I'm going to show you rows 6, 7, and 8, so you can see the transition from going one direction to the next direction. And I'm not going to knit several duplicate rows. So if this is row 1 or row 2 for you, just repeat that 3 times. All right, so let's get started on row 6. We're going to knit 2 together, and then knit 2, yarn over, knit 2. So it's a 6-stitch repeat. Knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, knit 2. So we're going to decrease 1. So a left leaning decrease, knit 2 together, knit 2, increase 1, and then knit 2. So that you repeat that for rows 2, 4, and 6. And then I'm just going to purl all the stitches on the back. And like I said, this is a 6-row or a 6-stitch repeat, so you want to cast on in multiples of 6. And I forgot to mention that I am using a size 11 knitting needle, so I bumped it back down because I knew I didn't want this to be quite so lacy. I want to really have a good stitch definition. So depending on how you knit, if you knit a little on the loose side or tight side, will determine the size of needle you use. This yarn usually calls out for a size 13. So that was row 7. Now we are ready for row 8. So we are making the zigs go this way. Now we're going to do a zag. So we have zig and zag, zig and zag. And super easy again. So we're going to start with knit 3. This is not part of the repeat. We're just going to knit these 3 to kind of offset it. And then we're going to start our repeat of a yarn over, knit 2, slip, knit, pass, knit 2. So this is going to lean left versus right. And start over. We're going to yarn over, knit 2, slip, knit, pass, and knit 2. And to end this, because we only have 3 stitches, we're going to yarn over, slip, knit, pass, and knit this last stitch. And that is it. Repeat that 8, 10, and 12. And super easy and very pretty. I really like this stitch. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and it was a nice break, and I will see you guys again tomorrow for day 20.